Hello, guys. It's DannyDealz here with another exciting update on TENX Therapeutics, ticker symbol TENX. It is March 22nd, 2023. It's 6:30 p.m. out here on the West Coast, 9:30 back in New York. I hope it's a great night or day wherever you are located. Little red day today on 10x Therapeutics. Let me share my screen. Of course, previous close was 63. We opened way up, gapped up, um, and then there was a big sell off in the morning, and then we traded sideways the rest of the day. And the algo was back in control of the stock. You can see at first, starting here, the algos, trading between 58 and 59, and then we see this little period of accumulation. We're flat here at 61 and a half cents, and then we get back into a 1 cent channel. Very, very neat from 59 to 60 cents. Jumps up to, again, 61 and a half, which was both support and resistance today. But these algos, they're programmed to trade how they're programmed to trade. They just have buy levels and sell levels in certain quantities, and if they're accumulating, they'll buy a few more here at 59, sell a few less at 60 to keep this range where they want it. So they can make this market just all that it requires is either extra money to buy, extra shares dumping, and then they can accumulate those shares or dump those shares back whenever they want, because this stock is extremely easy to push around with a tiny, tiny market cap, and the hedge fund that controls the stock has plenty of shares. But anyway, we had a pretty good gain yesterday. We had pullback today. We're testing some key levels here. Just want to point out a couple of things. We tested 57 a couple times. 57 is really a critical level for this stock. We've been able to stay above that level. It peaked out at 57, and you can see over here on the right hand side, we come down, we're testing 57, and then we pop back up to 60, sitting at 59 after hours. But 57 has been critical, both support and resistance, and has just had a lot of action around that stock through the month of March. See, tested here with support all through here. The stock was doing a lot of accordion work here at 57, and as long as we can hold above 57 cents, I think we're going to be just fine and continue to move to the upside off this triple bottom. I just see consolidation happening today, and we had pretty strong volume again today. Looks like we traded 6 million shares, so that has been pretty consistent the last couple days. We weren't in the crazy volume, but we're well into the millions. So I would all call that strong volume, but not crazy algo volume. Um, don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. Of course, we had the quarter point interest rate hike. Powell speaking that their rate increases will be slowing down. He didn't say necessarily that there won't be another increase, but I think they're going to give these some time to work. Hopefully, the capital and credit markets will sort of get back to normal after this banking scare. Of course, we had Silicon Valley Bank and then Credit Suisse and a couple of other smaller regional banks, mid-sized banks, failing or having to be bought out, and basically there was intervention by Jamie Dimon and these types of things. But there's been a heck of a lot of FUD in the system. None of this stuff really has that much effect on 10x Therapeutics. They just got a patent today, granted another patent for the Levo drug for this was for covering the heart failure, so pulmonary hypertension with heart failure, and Lizofenmenden, which I always say wrong. So the patent was granted. This could be a very valuable patent, but it's all contingent on getting this drug through phase 3. So management should speak pretty soon. Earnings are coming up. I've heard the 27th to the 30th. I don't know that they've announced a specific date, but we're just going to wait to hear. And hopefully, management has some good news for us. Stock is still holding that 57-cent level. It's really nothing to celebrate. because we are down at a $5.5 million market cap, but we had bounced off the price levels in the 40s, so we'll see if we can hold. We have strong volume. It appears that a hedge fund is still back firmly in control of the stock today. But it's not as easy as it has been. I think there is some news getting out and some eyes are on the stock, so it gets a little bit harder to control and it's a little bit more expensive to control and it's a little bit more expensive to short if some buyers come into the stock. We'll just have to wait for the earnings report, wait to hear what management has to say, and then we'll have a better idea where we're going. As always, I am not giving you financial advice. You would be a fool to take financial advice from me. Please do your own research. But thank you for watching Un Poco Mas, the show where we give you just a little bit more, presented by executive producer Hurricane Lopez. My name is DannyDealz. This has been your TENX Therapeutics, ticker symbol TENX update for 3/22/2023. And we closed today at 60 cents, down 5%, and we're down another penny after hours. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. Will we hold 57? Will we crash and burn back below 50? Will we make a move toward that next key level of 75? Ooh, the suspense is killing me. Probably killing you too. Have a good night, everybody.